Today, a local organization held a showcase to honor Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. on what would have been his 95th birthday. News 2's Jordan Sayopa joins us live in the studio with more on an MLK Day event that took place earlier this evening. Jordan.
The Racial Justice Network, along with so many others, are working to keep Dr. Martin Luther King Jr.'s dream alive today. Now, in honor of MLK Day, the civil rights organization hosted a Black History program and showcased their own work in the fight for peace. A room full of people honoring and celebrating civil rights icon Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. on what would have been his 95th birthday.
It's important that we remember the good things, even though he died in a tragic way, but he did so many wonderful things for so many people, and we're benefiting from those things even now.
The Racial Justice Network organized the MLK Day event and commemorated Dr. King's peaceful fight for equality. The program featured prayer, song, speakers, a reading of the iconic I Have a Dream speech, and a tribute to families who have lost loved ones.
We should never forget. I mean, if you don't know history, history repeats itself.
The Racial Justice Network also highlighted the work they're doing right here in the Low Country. The civil rights organization introduced a new program called Thou Shall Not Kill, which will be taught to children on these two buses turned mobile classrooms.
Thou Shall Not Kill is a much needed curriculum, and it helps to combat gun violence. And more than gun violence, we address mental health and also drug usage.
The organization on a mission to make the community a more peaceful place, just as MLK was.
This is what the Racial Justice Network is doing to try to make a difference. We have too many people, young people dying, especially black people, in the hands of black folks. So that's why we in this community.
Organizers with the Racial Justice Network say they will be presenting the buses to the mayor of New York City later this month. Reporting live in the studio, I'm Jordan Sayopa. Count on 2.